Good day once again. This is Erwin Abangan, one of the trainer here in IMG Wealth Academy. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung paano ba tayo mag-retire early or mas maaga kaysa in-expect natin. This is a very simple concept na mas maintindihan natin lalo yung tinatawag na investments. Paano ako mag-invest, Erwin, kung ang aking sweldo ay kulang? Paano ako mag-invest, Erwin, kung marami akong utang? Paano ako makapag-invest, Erwin? Baka mas scam ako, which is maraming nangyayari dito sa Philippines. Let me tell you that in investments, this is very simple. And at the same time, if you understand the principle in investing, you will never go wrong. Kaya as much as possible, isi-simplify ko aking training. Mga 10 slides lang ito, and you will understand right now how to start your investment in the stock market. Now, let me ask you first, when do you want to retire? And how much money would you like to have when you retire? Halimbawa, kung gusto mo ng 5 million at age 60, kung ngayon, ang edad mo ay age 25, magsisave ka for the next 35 years ng 1,537 or yearly savings 18,488. Yung 1,537, that's monthly savings. Makuha mo yung 5 million mo kung meron kang disiplina sa pagsisave ng 1,537 for the next 35 years. Kung gusto mo ng 5 million, 35 years old ka na ngayon at age 60, for the next 25 years, mag-save ka monthly ng 4,236. At an average rate of 12% per year growth in the stock market. If you want 5 million at age 60, ngayon 45 years old ka na, 15 years to go, mag-60 ka na, kailangan mo mag-save ng 13,144. Gusto mo ng 5 million at age 60, 55 years old ka na ngayon, for the next 5 years, kailangan mo mag-save monthly ng 68,249. Kung titingnan nyo mga kapatid, the longer you wait before you will invest, mas malaki na ang i-invest mo para mahabol mo yung retirement money mo. What if 60 years old ka na, gusto mo ng 5 million? Ano na lang ang time mo? At sigurado ka pa bang meron ka pang trabaho at age 60? Kaya huwag nating i-delay ang ating pag-i-invest. Kaya sabi dyan sa baba, what if you started to save 10 years ago? Start immediately, don't delay. The sooner you begin, the less money you need to set aside to reach your goals. People over 50 years old need to work harder compared to people less than 35 years old. May kasabihan nga, if you cannot learn from old people, where else can you learn? Okay? We listen to old people not because they are perfect or they know better than us, but because they have a lot of things na ginawa nila na hindi natin dapat gagawin. So hindi tayo magantay na retired na tayo bago natin ma-realize na hindi pala natin ma-achieve yung ating financial goals. Now, saan ako mag-i-invest? If you're familiar with the stock market, ito yung mga companies or tinatawag silang blue chip companies which are listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange like PLDT, Jollibee, BPI, Metrobank, Ayala, nandiyan sila SM. If you want to be part of their company, na pag pumasok ka sa kumpanya nila, bumili ka, kumain ka, you are a shareholder. Isa ka sa may-ari ng mga kumpanya na yan. Paano? Paano ako makapasok? At paano ko malaman kung legal yung pinag-i-investan ko dyan sa stock market? So if you're familiar with fifa.com.ph or Philippine Investment Fund Association, dyan nalilista yung mga legal investment companies in the Philippines. So dyan mo makikita yung mga tinatawag ng mga mutual fund companies. At dyan mo rin makikita yung magkano yung presyo ng mutual fund company na yan at magkano yung growth nila year to date for 3 years or 5 years. Alright? Maybe for the meantime, nakakalito kung titingnan mo kung wala kang background. But we will teach you more. Alright? Maybe in the next modules. But for the meantime, I just would like to show that to you so that you will be aware na yung mga legal investments dyan natin makikita sa Philippine Investment Fund Association website. So paano ba kino-compute yung investments, Erwin? What if magsisave ako ng 5,000 startup cash? So kung makikita mo dyan sa taas, merong iba't ibang mga interest rate. May 1%, 3%, 5%, at saka 12%. So, halimbawa, ang isa-sample natin ay 10% average rate per year. Okay, naglagay ka ng 5,000, pagdating dyan sa startup cash, tapos nagmamonthly ka ng 5,000 straight for the next 5 years. If you calculate it, kung 10% ang kanyang average growth, you will expect 410,989.15 in the next 5 years. If you think that is not enough, try to recompute it. Pwede mong baguhin yung monthly additional investment. O, lagyan mo ng 10,000, 20, 30,000. So, ilalagay mo pa rin 10% because on average, nasa 10, 12, 13 to 15% yung normal return per year. Pero pag may magsabi sa'yo na 10% monthly, takbo na kayo. Kalokohan yan. Alright? Because in the stock market, it fluctuates, it goes up, and it goes down. So, ang performance sa stock market noong 2006 to 2014, even nag-start siya noong 1926. So, nag-up, nag-down. So, huwag kang matatakot sa up and down of the market. Alright? Kung titingnan mo 2006, ang growth niya nasa 42.30%. Pagdating naman 2007, 21.40. Nung nagkaroon ng recession noong 2008, nasa negative 42. Nung nag-positive siya noong 2009, nag-positive 63. So kung titingnan mo, hindi nakakatakot yung up and down. Kasi if it goes down, it will normally go up. In fact, ang nakakatakot, when the market goes up and you are not part of that growth. Kaya when you understand these things, make sure you understand. You act immediately. Huwag nyo nang antayan. But if you want to know more, me and my wife are conducting training in different topics, but we specialize in personal financial planning and investments. And we're teaching it for free. So if you want to know more, you can contact me directly through my cell phone, or if we are friends on FB, you can message me directly, or you can visit our website. All right. So visit these sites to know more, like erlwin-corp.weebly.com/investments, and to be part of our campaign, erlwin-corp.weebly.com/IMG Financial Campaign. We are doing a massive financial education both here in the Philippines and abroad. And especially, we're helping OFWs na makauwi na kasama yung kanilang family. If you think what I'm telling you today makes sense, and if you feel this is the information you're looking for, try to contact us immediately without delay. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.